Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe down below. Go ahead and press that bell icon. That way you guys are notified every time I post a new video. Yes.
I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for
Right now I am just trying to prepare and get ready because I'm headed to Arizona this weekend with my boyfriend, my little family, of course, little Atlas, and right now I'm currently at my parents' just packing up my things, and then we're headed off to Santa Barbara to go down to my boyfriend's, and then from there just pretty much start our venture. I'm just getting ready. I just packed up the car. Literally I have everything in my trunk. Like, story of my life, I always have so many bags in my car. It's not a joke. So tomorrow we are leaving at 4 in the morning. That's the goal. And the reason why we're leaving so early is because Atlas does not like his car seat. If you guys were to see my recent couple summer Q&A video, you kind of get an idea of how he reacts in the car. He really does not like to be in his car seat. He refuses to. But I try to sit in the back with him, that way he's relaxed, and normally he's okay when we go on trips if we leave early in the morning or if we leave like later at night. So we're going to try to leave early in the morning, arrive to Phoenix, hopefully around 10, maybe 11, and maybe catch some breakfast, hang out, kind of sightsee a little bit, and then we're gonna head out to my best friend's place and just kind of go through nostalgic feels pretty much, because I grew up in Goodyear during my high school years, so it's gonna be kind of nice to go back and just kind of reflect how my life used to be, you know. Maybe I'll try to get my old house on video so you guys can see like where I grew up and stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna head out over there and hopefully the ride is smooth. So I basically got ready. I wanted to get dolled up. It's been a couple of days where I just been in my sweatpants and big t-shirts, and I was like, you know what? Get your life together. So currently I have this situation going on, very casual, cute. It's super hot right now here in Lompoc, so I figured I'd wear something refreshing. So I figured I'd wear something fresh and just kind of comfortable, you know. So I'm wearing this cute little skirt right here. I got this at the thrift, you guys. I just really like it. It's fresh, it's cute, it's comfortable, and I paired it with a simple little white top. I love the little opening right here. And then I have this vest that I wanted to pair up with just because it gives a little layering style. And I got this vest years ago, but you know, I still kept it around because I figured I'd wear it one day, and here we are. I just wanted to put my hair up. I just got out of the shower not too long ago, and of course I'm using my Jessie Curl products that I just received. Yeah, I'm about to get my waves back really soon. I'm trying to not use as much heat just because I really want my curls to enhance. I really want my curls and waves to come back to life. So I'm really trying this no heat method and just seeing where it takes me, you know? Oh, and your girl got Vans again. It's been 10 years, you guys, since I rocked the Van game. Okay, don't mind my towel. Yeah, this is how the outfit looks. Very casual, cute, very late summer vibes right here. Okay, we're gonna check on Atlas again because I just wanna make sure he's okay. Una papa, dos papas, tres papas, cuatro.
Cinco papas, seis papas, siete papas más.
Okay, I'm always having to check up on him just because I want to make sure he's okay. He just got his new little bouncer. He loves it. You guys, he's going to be 6 months tomorrow. Can you believe that? I can't even believe that. And I haven't been really doing any baby updates, like monthly updates like I used to when I was pregnant. I just figured I didn't want to kill you guys with all the baby talk, unless, you know, you mothers want to know what's going on with Atlas, or, you know, I know people that aren't pregnant or that are not mothers, I should say, that love Atlas so much. So if you guys want baby updates, go ahead and let me know. But he's been doing well, and there's just so much to talk about that. I'm just not going to get into that, but he turned 6 months tomorrow, you guys, and I can't believe it. It's definitely been life-changing. It's been an experience, and I've learned so much about myself, and I've learned a lot about my baby, you know, and how it is to raise a baby, and what I want out of life, and what my priorities are, and things like that. So it's been a journey, and I've just been really busy. I've been doing everything, and I never realized, like before, like, it's just so funny. Like before, I would just procrastinate on everything, you guys. Like, I'm just telling you the truth, okay? And now I'm just like, okay, what do I need to do next? What do I need to do next? What's my next task? What's that? You know, don't get me wrong. Yeah, I do have my moments where I just chill and relax, but you guys should see my task list. I have a task list, you guys, and I have one every single day, and I get my things done when I need to get them done. And being a stay-at-home mom is tough, you guys. It's more than a full-time job. Like, don't get it twisted. You know, it's sad because like the stereotype is like, oh, if you're a stay-at-home mom, like it's so easy, like the easiest job in the world. No, it's not. It's not the easiest job in the world. It's actually really, really hard at times, you know. And you know, I'm sacrificing a lot to be with my baby, and that's a good thing in my opinion, because I want him to have the best care and all that. But yeah, guys, it's a journey. It's a journey. Okay, guys, I also wanted to show you guys these cloth diapers that Atlas received. This is from Button Diapers. They have really cute cloth diapers, you guys. So I received the fox one, has like this little cute pattern here, and then here's a blue one, and then a cute simple yellow one. But yeah, they have like very different patterns and graphics and just solid colors that you can choose from. But I really want to get into this, you guys, and here are the cloth diaper inserts. So I did not know this before, but you're actually supposed to use inserts for your cloth diapers, and basically you just wash this in the wash, and you separate them. But yeah, this goes into the cloth diaper. So let me see if I can show you that. So yeah, I didn't know, but you need your cloth insert and you also need your cloth diaper together. It's like a set basically. And that's usually how the cloth diapers work, as I've been doing all this research. And I know it can be a hassle because it's so easy to buy regular diapers at the store and, you know, just purchasing them and throwing them away, rather than having to do all this washing. But I feel like as soon as you get on a routine, oh, that was a motorcycle. I feel like as soon as you get it on a routine though, you know, life just gets easier, and the more cloth diapers you have, the better. And I was hearing that if you have at least 40 diapers, like you're set, you're good to go. That way you can just have like a single day of washing and you don't have to worry about anything. Because I feel like if you have less diapers, you're gonna have to be constantly washing, and it's gonna just seem like it's just gonna seem like a hassle having to wash dirty cloth diapers all the time, you know? So if you have like just one laundry day of just, you know, cleaning your cloth diapers, I feel like it will be chill and you won't even have to worry. But, you know, I've been really wanting to transition because, you know, honestly, it's economically and financially better to actually buy cloth diapers because, dude, diapers are so expensive. It's not even a joke how much diapers are. You know, it's like, do you want to get cheap diapers, you know, or do you want to get the expensive, good quality ones, regular diapers? So that's how I kind of see it. It's kind of like an investment, but hopefully, you know, I like cloth diapering, you know, I'm really hoping that I do. And that way I can spread the word even more. But it seems like it's been trending for a reason, just because, you know, there's a goodness to it, you know, like, what is it, bleach in the diapers and the cloth diapers, you know, chemically free. And I think that's really important, you know, like I'm trying to, you know, be chemically free, natural, you know, use all organic products. I'm trying, you know, and that's the goal. So I feel like as a new mom, that's what you want. You want the best for your child. So I'm just throwing it out there. If you guys want to check out Button Diapers, go ahead and do so. I'm not getting paid for this. This video is not sponsored. I just want to share the love and spread some awareness. And you might have seen things like this before about cloth diapers, but why not spread it again and just kind of keep you updated on that. But yeah, Atlas actually got his first real diaper rash, and it's been hard, you guys, because I hate to see his little booty like that. It's sad. And, you know, I was like a psycho doing all this research at midnight and just, you know, trying to find tips on what I could do, you know, to heal his butt and things like that. So, you guys, it could be the diapers. It could be, you know, maybe I'm not changing him as frequently. I feel like I am, though. So, yeah, you know, if you guys have any tips you want to share with me, I've been doing all the research too, so maybe I'll share some of my own tips that I've seen, and I'll tell you how his little booty process goes. But that's that, you guys. I just want to say that, you guys, I'm officially back at my old weight. I cannot believe it. I can do a whole video on that, but I'm officially back at my old weight. When I was pregnant, I was weighing about 165, I believe. 165, and I went on the scale yesterday, and guess where I'm at? Guess. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, and my shoes do weigh a lot, but I am back at 130, you guys. I am back at 130. That's how much I used to weigh when I wasn't a mom. I've always weighed 130. My skinniest, I think I weighed like 125 or something like that. But honestly, that's just way too skinny for me. I'm just trying to tone now. I feel like if I do have weight put on me, it's usually just around my face. My face is really round naturally. Like, that's just how my face is. And I carry a lot of the weight like on my upper body, like my arms. And my tummy, like, it's like I don't really have any fat on my tummy. I just need to like tone and like, you know, do some ab workouts and things like that. But I'm pretty tall, so I'm over the average, I want to say. I'm 5'7", pushing 5'8". So I want to say what the average is 5'5". So I guess I'm a little bit above average, and that's where I'm at, you guys. So I'm really happy to be back at my weight. I'm grateful, and you know, I really feel like the healthy eating and the walking is really paying off. The most spoiledest baby in the world. Guys, I am cracking up because Atlas is the most spoiledest child in the world. And my mom decided to decorate the guest bathroom with his theme, his baby room theme, which is forest animals. And here she got this little curtain, shower curtain with a fox, tent, raccoon, porcupine. Like, this is too funny. Like, she's way too funny. Like, when I came back home, I was like, what? Like, what's going on here?